Boys, haven't got lost. I would have speak a little bit more, but this is what I got today. We bought ourselves a little construction van, a mini me. So when I'm working doing my properties and management and changing light bulbs, I can use these things and have all the tools with me all the time. So I don't have to forget anything and don't have to have a million trips to Menards or Home Depot. So this is it. Looks like a really quick fix. Let the driver load it. It's pretty. He's got loaded up. We're gonna strap this and head back to the garage and put this together today. This is gonna be one of those one-day repairs. I just gotta stop by and get a new hood from China. You load it up and on we go. Oh, let's don't forget about a cookie. We got treated. Ladies in the office give us a cookie, so yum yum yum. Business with pleasure. Let's see how badly damaged. Oh, cool. Looks like the radiator might be even good. We might be just in luck. We may actually not spend all kinds of money on this repair. The frame looks straight. Just the end of it is bent. The reinforcement bar. Definitely need some new tires. These tires look shitty. Ooh, really bad. Let's see if she starts. It says in the auction run and drive, but you know, you can never believe them. They say it starts and drives and it doesn't. Whoa! Fire in a hole. Runs. How lovely. This was a lease car. They probably use it for deliveries. Alright, let's strap this up and head back. This is it. The car is strapped. The hood is strapped. Safety first. We pull the e-brake. Now we can finish the tea and the cookie. And we can head back. Alright, let's unload this thing. Gotta fix this up quickly. No time, I need this car to drive. In the garage, taking it apart, the hood is off. Gotta straighten the core support because this part is pricey. Man, everything is like 300, 300, 300, 280 aftermarket. Not even original. The hood is $500. You can get them used for about $350, $400, but the new one, original aftermarket, not available. The reinforcement bar is $300, like $290. I guess the most expensive part is the core support, the hood. From bumpers, $180. You can get it off the market, so it's not bad. We're gonna probably have about $700 to $1,000 tops in parts, because we're gonna try to save the core support, the headlight, the reinforcement bar. I'm gonna have to get another one, and we have to get a condenser, fan, and a radiator since they're no good, unfortunately. No Freon or fluid inside, so I'm gonna take them off now. I'm getting closer. Radiator condenser in. Gotta put a cooler in. Reinforcement bar came in yesterday. And then we can start putting headlights and put the old hood back on. Yay! Whoa! Excellent, tak? Tnij, panie. Gdzie?
Здесь?
Gdzie ci pasuje? No tak, możesz nawet uczyć. Dawaj, rozumiem, pomału spinę.
То есть здесь надо лучше,
Dawaj,
чем снизу.
Na całe to leży.
Что?
Każdy raz. No. Dzisiaj. Dobra, zlecimy tu ostoczki dziś.
Ну потом.
To tak jest. A, to są toczki, to mówię, na trzeba uczyć.
Не-не-не. Здесь ровно есть.
No, ale poczekaj, poczekaj.
Надо нам это открываем.
I co, jak tu utkniesz, to widzisz co?
Да.
Chodźmy tam.
Ура, нахуй, начали разобрать. Здесь надо закончить.
Что ты masz?
Погоди, здесь, ну как это, какой уже?
Nie, na co?
Не-не. Сейчас открою. Не ножом.
Zjedz czekoladkę o...
Отсверлить надо. Ну, этот снимем нахуй, здесь поправим еще.
A, widzisz. No. That's what happened when the hood is $500.
Приклеить и все нахуй. Ёпта. Что ты хуйнёй занимаешься? Фукаем, он хуйнёй занимается, ёпта. Блядь, курва, нахуй, здесь это... Блядь, этот нахуй, курва.
Tu podniesie, tam podłoży.
Здесь так, здесь так.
A co ty z tą szmatą robisz, Egidia? Na co ci ta szmata potrzebna? Woda, szmata, что он делает? I don't know.
Блядь. Сделаем дырку. Таню дырку. Такой. И все.
Bundle. Next day, continue working on this hood. I am stubborn. Like I say, the car is for me, and I'm not gonna spend $500 on the hood or $450 on the used one. That's still not great. And since I, have a little time, I decided to fix the old hood. A little challenge. You can see coming to the end. Just got the fiberglass and bond on the hood and fix the bumper and put it back on. But I only purchased the reinforcement bar, condenser, radiator, and a fan, and the grill. The headlights I saved, the hood I saved, which was $500. The front bumper was $350 I saved, so there's a lot of money saved up here. Now let's continue working. All right. Last step before primer. We got the Guideco applied to the hood. Now I'm gonna do 180 and go over with 220 or 320 with the DA quickly over the whole hood. Take the hood off, put it on the horse, and apply the primer. So tomorrow I'll finally paint it along with the bumper. And the little construction mobile is ready.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Nothing, just come look. Can you just stop recording?
What happened? While my son is jamming, look at this precision. The precision he's doing this with. Look at this. He's putting heart into it.
Shorty, you with diamonds, you know you're looking fine every time you walk by. You make time.
Look at this focus. And the new body man was born. Stop shaking the car. I'm trying to relax. Be gentle. And she's nearly finished. Give it a quick bath. It was quite filthy. All I have left to do is just paint the hood and the bumper. And put a grill back on and an emblem. And she be good as new.